Hello and welcome, savvy savers. I'm your host, Ali, back again with another episode filled with financial wisdom. We're going to dissect the common traps that snag many in the middle class and help you sidestep them. But before we go any further, click on that subscribe button, ring the bell, and share the wealth of knowledge with your friends. Let's dive in. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden money traps for the middle class and how to avoid them. Let's illuminate these traps and plot a course around them. Money trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. It's easy to fall into the trap of expanding your lifestyle as your income grows. A new car, a bigger house, exotic vacations. But here's the secret. True wealth is about what you save, not what you spend. The antidote? Embrace the principle of living below your means. Rather than spending that shiny new pay raise, channel it towards savings, investments, or paying off debt. Let your wealth grow, not your expenditure. Money trap number 2, high-interest debt. This is the silent wealth killer. It's easy to fall into the cycle of credit card debt, payday loans, and high-interest personal loans. But remember, these high-interest debts are draining your wealth away, not building it. What's the rescue plan? Prioritize paying off your high-interest debts first. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche methods. Once you're out of the debt quagmire, stay vigilant to avoid falling back in. Money trap number 3, ignoring retirement savings. Retirement may seem like a distant dream, but the truth is, it'll arrive sooner than you think. The golden rule here is to start early. The magic of compound interest means that the sooner you start, the less you need to invest to achieve the same outcome. So, how do you win this game? Start investing in your retirement now. Look into options like a 401k or an IRA. Even small contributions, if consistent, can grow into a sizable nest egg. Money trap number 4, neglecting an emergency fund. Life has a way of throwing curveballs when we least expect it. A car breakdown, a roof leak, a sudden health issue. That's where an emergency fund becomes your financial superhero, rescuing you from the clutches of unforeseen expenses. Start building your emergency fund today, aiming for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It might sound like a lofty goal, but remember, even the tallest towers were built brick by brick. Every little bit counts. And finally, money trap number 5, failing to invest. With inflation nibbling away at your savings, the only way to truly grow your wealth is to invest it. Educate yourself about different investment avenues and diversify your portfolio. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds. There's a world of possibilities out there. Not sure where to begin? Consider seeking advice from a certified financial planner or doing some independent study. Remember, knowledge is power. And by educating yourself about these money traps and their solutions, you're already on the path to financial freedom. And that's a wrap for today, folks. These were the top 5 hidden money traps and the strategies to dodge them. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. But with a bit of knowledge and a dash of discipline, we can all reach the finish line. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who might need a little financial enlightenment. Until next time, stay savvy, stay smiling, and remember, you are the master of your financial destiny.